Peace be upon everyone watching. I have uploaded 3 videos on this new channel so far. Do you know what my metrics look like? My first video got exactly 1 view and 36 impression. My second video got 4 impression and 0 views. And my third video, a single impression and absolutely 0 views. Looking at those flat lines completely demotivated me. My immediate instinct was to give up, create a brand new Gmail account, and start a completely new channel from scratch. Why? Because this Gmail account has a messy history. It hosts 4 other dead channels, including the automation channel where I blindly uploaded over 50 videos before it failed. I convinced myself that my account was technically broken and that was the reason I was trapped in this zero impression prison. If you are a small creator watching this video and you are facing this exact same problem, please subscribe to this channel and like this video because I am about to expose exactly why this happened and how we are going to fix it together. Let me break this down simply because when I finally figured this out, everything changed. When I hit this wall, I didn't act impulsively. Instead, I laid out my entire creator history, every failed channel, every pivot, and every shortcut I took, and mapped it out. If you want to know my full backstory of how I built 4 failed channel and what I learned, make sure to watch my previous video. You can watch that video by clicking on the I button. It isn't just a personal diary, it is an essential guide for every struggling creator. Here is what the data reveals. The system does not penalize you simply for having multiple channels on a single Gmail. The true crisis occur when you create multiple channels on completely different topics under the exact same user profile. Think about it. First, you build a channel centered around gaming or real life stories. Then you drop it and start a business channel. Then you switch again to video editing tutorial. Every time you launch a channel, populate your metadata and upload your initial videos. The YouTube algorithm attempt to analyze those signals. Its sole purpose is to isolate a specific high affinity viewer base that wants to consume your exact topic. In the beginning, the system tests your content across diverse audience. You might pull in 30, 50, or even 100 views on an outlier upload. But suddenly, your next few videos plummet to 1 views or 0 views. What does this drop mean? It means YouTube expose your packaging and your content to potential viewers. But either your packaging lacked clickability or the video content itself lacks the depth to retain them. The system then pauses and waits for you to upload a sequence of 3 to 4 more videos to clarify your path. Crucially, these uploads must maintain a laser focused thematic continuity. Many creators picked a broad niche but violently switched their core topic from video to video, completely confusing the algorithm tracking model. When the views flatline, most editors lose endurance, assume the channel is dead, and repeat the loop by launching another channel in a different category, just like I did. I jumped from stories to business because I thought the market was oversaturated. When you repeat this cycle across one Gmail profile, the algorithm experiences a massive identity crisis. It looks at your digital footprint and asks, should I deliver this content to an audience that consumes storytelling, an audience seeking corporate business advice, or user looking for advanced video editing tutorial? Because the signal clash, the algorithm limits your distribution. Your impression begin to aggressively degrade until they completely stall out at 1 or 2 impressions per upload. This is the exact mechanism behind the low impression trap. So, how do we break out of this algorithmic freeze? To solve this, I am combining my technical background with a brilliant system developed by 2 million subscriber medical doctor turned creator, the Mike and Mary method. Instead of treating my content like standard broad niche, Mike and Mary teach us that we must define a clear transformation vector. We have to visual map out how we move a very specific viewer from a painful current state point A to an optimized goal state point B. On this channel, our transformation vector is clear. We are guiding paralyzed overthinking creator away from a low effort AI shortcut and helping them build a sentient brand. To execute this, we use their MVP pyramids minimum per video process. As a perfectionist, I used to waste months obsessing over Hollywood cinematography and expensive camera gear, but the MVP framework proves that your core idea and your packaging carry 80% of the weight. If no one clicks, no one watches. That is why I'm filming this series with zero fancy gear, focusing 100% on high value, data driven ideas for you. Based on this strategic framework, there are exactly three structural paths to restore your channel algorithm trust. Hyper targeted search SEO. You must craft video around highly specific searchable problem solving topic. When trended creators actively search for a solution and click on your video, they manually feed high signal user data into the system, bypassing the frozen browse feed and teaching YouTube exactly who your audience is. Manual traffic seeding. If your content relies purely on the browse feed, you must manually find your exact target audience in online communities and seed your video directly to them. This forces initially high retention click that kickstart the data loop, though it requires immense manual grinding. The 15 video trust collaboration, my chosen path. This is the toughest but most effective approach. You commit to uploading 10 to 50 highly optimized video with absolute consistency. This consistent output slowly overrides your historical account confusion for the system to log accurate operational data about your new content and fully restore algorithm trust. You don't always have to wait until video 50 to see a lift. If you can string together just 3 to 4 hyper focused video that share the exact same thematic core but offer distinct information, the system will rapidly recalibrate and flood your channel with impression again. This is video number 4 of my live experiment. I am not deleting my Gmail and I am not hiding behind excuses anymore. I am executing this 15 video roadmap right here in front of you using my smartphone mic and mid-range PC. If you want to see if this framework can break a dead channel out of a zero impressions freeze in real time, subscribe and let's track the data together. Let's build our channel as a community. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next step of the journey. Bye bye.